In the realm of skincare, sometimes the simplest ingredients from our kitchen or medicine cabinet can create the most delightful surprises. One such gem is a homemade collagen mask made from parsley and Vaseline. This easy-to-make mask can offer your skin a refreshing glow, making it a wonderful addition to your weekly beauty routine. Here's how you can whip up this nurturing mask and the benefits you can expect. What you need: fresh parsley, Vaseline, petroleum jelly. Step-by-step guide to creating your mask. Prepare the parsley. Start by finely chopping a handful of fresh parsley. Parsley is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which are great for skin rejuvenation. Mix with Vaseline. Mix the chopped parsley with a generous dollop of Vaseline until you have a paste-like consistency. Vaseline acts as an excellent base for the mask, locking in moisture and delivering the parsley's benefits deep into the skin. Apply the mask. Gently apply the mixture to your face, avoiding the eye area. The soothing properties of the ingredients make this mask particularly enjoyable. Let the mask sit for about 15 minutes. Rinse off. Use warm water to rinse off the mask. You'll find that it comes off easily, leaving your skin feeling soft and refreshed. Benefits of the parsley and Vaseline collagen mask: hydrates the skin. Vaseline is a well-known occlusive that traps moisture, helping to hydrate the skin thoroughly. Brightens and revitalizes. Parsley, packed with vitamins, can help brighten the complexion and even out skin tone. Supports skin health. The combination of ingredients is gentle on the skin, making it suitable for those with sensitive skin or anyone who prefers a mild skincare product. Tips for best results: consistency is key. For the best results, incorporate this mask into your skincare routine once a week. This regular pampering will help maintain the skin's health and vibrancy. Fresh ingredients. Always use fresh parsley to ensure the maximum potency of vitamins and antioxidants. Patch test. If you have sensitive skin, do a patch test on your arm before applying the mask to your face. Conclusion: creating a homemade collagen mask with parsley and Vaseline is not only a cost-effective way to care for your skin but also a delightful way to pamper yourself with natural ingredients. Enjoy the process of making your skincare products and relish the glowing, hydrated results.